At the Office for National Statistics, we collect and process data, which we analyse to create statistics that help us understand the UK's economy, society and population. But the world is changing fast, and we need to keep up with these changes to make sure our statistics are up to date. That's why we want to transform the way we produce statistics. For over 200 years, the census has been the main way of collecting data for population statistics, which people use to make important decisions about things that affect us all, like the amount of housing we need and the numbers of education places. The census gives us an important and detailed understanding of our population at a point in time, but it only happens every 10 years. By using new and innovative sources of data, we can keep up with society's changing needs, making our statistics more frequent, flexible and efficient. We can also create statistics on new topics, such as changes in the population of local areas across different seasons and even times of the day. Accessing accurate, up-to-date statistics more often will allow people to make better-informed decisions about important local services, like waste collection in city centres or healthcare in tourist areas. Across the ONS, we've been using what's known as administrative data, which is information that we all share when we access public services, like the tax, benefits, health and education systems. We're also securely linking different data sources to identify new patterns and insight. This is known as linked data. For example, we used linked data, such as public transport data, along with information from our own COVID-19 infection survey, to help us understand infection rates in different groups during the coronavirus pandemic. Part of our transformation will involve using more of these kinds of data. Organisations across the UK collect these data safely and securely, and all our procedures, systems and staff protect both the data and your confidentiality by law, so no one can be identified from the statistics we publish. Transforming the way we work with data means that we can produce statistics that better meet everyone's needs. Find out more about our transformation plans for population statistics on the ONS website.